This is a brand new 2011 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has a continuously variable transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features include air conditioning, external temperature display, a 6-speaker audio system, leather steering wheel trim, traction control and stability control systems, dusk sensing headlights, side curtain airbags, and aluminum wheels. With an EPA estimated rating of 36 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
eGolf Ford of Brevard is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1235 Asheville Highway in Brevard.